that very extra intro. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl O, and I have a quick show and tell video on ZURY SIS Sister Wig Bestie, and I have it in the color F1B30. Bestie is one of the units that is a part of ZURY's twin part series collection. There's 3 units in this collection. The other 2 units are called Blast and Bless, so I'm pretty sure you have seen them because they aren't new to the YT. The great thing about this wig collection is that it offers hairstyling versatility. You can create many different looks such as top knots, half up, half down, ponytails, space buns, and things of that sort. So you can have fun with this wig. Inside the cap construction, you will see that you kind of get a cap construction similar to the Vixen wig cap constructions. And this unit is definitely big head friendly. The lace is soft, and I really appreciate that the lace is a brown color and it really matches my skin complexion. Some key features about this wig, like I stated, you get the 3-way part, 6-inch center part, and 2 extreme side parts. You can part it from the left side, the right side, or the center. She comes pre-styled with twin ponytails, but you can wear it down if you wish. I did not demonstrate that in this video, but you can wear it down, but expect to need to apply some heat to get the parting space to lay as flat as you would like it. So I do like that this unit comes with some baby hairs already pre-made for you. Of course, you're going to need to go in and do whatever kind of manipulation your heart desires. Personally, I think that this would be a unit that I would go in and kind of customize the parting space to make the hairline look more natural, because it's pretty dense. But for the sake of this video, I just went ahead and installed the baby hairs on this wig because your girl was kind of lazy and I didn't feel like doing all that. But I do suggest, if you decide to purchase this unit, that you go in and customize the hairline to fit your face and your preference. This wig is a good 24 inches long. I didn't receive really any tangling, but I did notice some initial shedding, so I wanted to throw that out there. And this wig is definitely lightweight. If you're someone who likes to rock long hair in the warmer months, I suggest this unit because, like I said, it's lightweight, and I think that since you can style this hair so many different ways, it's just a really cute, fun unit to wear for the summertime. Now, I styled this unit in 3 different ways. The initial, straight out the package, and then I did a kind of like half up with a messy bun. It wasn't perfect, you guys. And then I just did a half up, half down style. So you guys go ahead and let me know down below which style was your favorite. And have you tried this unit? Will you be trying this unit? How do you feel about the color? The texture is like a light yaki texture, and it does look really natural in the sunlight. So I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share my videos, you guys, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.